Hey guys, welcome. This is how to unblock someone on Valorant. So guys, of course, first thing is open up the Valorant into your Windows. And now right over here, go to the top right corner of the screen and you should be able to see the gear icon. And now here a pop-up will show up and you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now here on the settings, just make sure you are on the general tab. Now, once you are here, go to the privacy category and you should be able to see here blocked players. And now just simply select block players and you should be able to see all of the list of the players that you have all blocked. And you should have an option right here, unblock. So when you tap on that, you should have this pop-up window and just simply confirm it by selecting unblock again. And from here, you should be able to unblock people. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.